God, there's freaking like flies everywhere.
There's flies everywhere.
This is ridiculous. You not notice all the flies, beret man, or whatever you're wearing.
Dude, you ever play that?
No?
Yes. Two Mario Bros.
I saw him here. I like this fly right here.
Star Wars games from Nintendo 64 were awesome.
This is where like half the rapes in America happen. Like look at this, open field,
Like I
bunch of
wanted the truck
forest.
to go right through here. That's what I
We should
wanted.
get a video shot of the barbed wire fence.
What truck are we using?
We're not using a truck. We can't do it now.
I knew it,
The
I
kid
knew
didn't
it.
bring the damn truck.
Here, say that to the
That
camera.
fucker Daryl.
What?
Say it.
You didn't bring the damn truck.
Oh, I knew it.
What about Daryl?
I knew
I don't know, he didn't bring the truck.
I knew Daryl wouldn't bring the truck. Daryl, how could you?
How could you?
Yeah, don't do that.
I knew Daryl from back in the day.
Back in
What?
the day.
Back in the day. Smoking.
You probably should say that. Alright, guys,
Now she want a photo. You already know that. You only live once, that's the motto, nigga, yellow. We had it every day, every day, every day. Like we sitting on a bench, nigga. We don't really play every day, every day.
That'd be nice if we had like
Hey,
guns
Kellen.
with us and
We
they
should
were
have a
just
picnic.
patrolling the fence. Yeah, just sit right here.
It's not a picnic.
I want a picnic.
Picnic. Brought the basket.
Kick me.
Who the hell's over
Yeah, I
there?
heard that.
I threw a stick there.
Are you like,
I seriously did. You shouldn't do
It
that.
sounded like something when they're chopping.
Chris, I could picture you, Chris, I could picture you being like one of those characters on Sesame Street.
You like penny horse?
I like chip peanut pickle. Huh?
What did you say?
You like penny horse?
I like horse.
Ooh.
There's no kid.
Why did I waste
He had no reason to be in there.
Okay, Mr. Constanzo, or what's your last name? Constantino?
Oh, Constantino.
Constantine.
Constantino. That was a good movie.
Constantine. Yeah, I know Constantine. She brought my
That's a homo movie. I've never watched it.
Second time.
Yeah.
Like at the
I know
Shia
Constantine.
LaBeouf comes out of nowhere.
You my listeners right now. Hi.
He always does that in every movie he is in.
I already got a DUI or something.
Hey,
Chris, you got like retarded syndrome. Arrest.
hey, yeah, can you put the boy down? You might want to take your rest.
Oh, wait a minute.
Guys.
I was kidding. Stop touching me. I got a camera in my hand, Chris. Stop. Chris, stop. I have a camera. Retarded. Butt pirate.
What'd you say?
No, I was thinking about it. Chris, stop. You freaking throw that stick at me, I'm gonna freaking throw you down a creek.
I was gonna throw you. Hey, y'all just...
You just made me hit the camera, you retard.
Bang, bang, bang.